and David Suzuki.
Ixnay on the Uzuki side.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation. The Tennessee Bureau of Investigation has issued a statewide Tennessee Blue Alert for Samuel Q. Edwards. Edwards is a 34-year-old white male with brown hair and brown eyes. He is 5 feet 11 inches tall and weighs 160 pounds. Edwards is wanted by the Metro Nashville Police Department and the Trace BI for attempted criminal homicide and evading arrest by motor vehicle. Edwards may be traveling in a 2009 white Chevrolet Silverado with Tennessee license plate 88FW55. The vehicle has a missing grille and damage to the bumper. Edwards should be considered armed and extremely dangerous. If you have any information concerning the whereabouts of Edwards, please contact the Trace BI 180 or Trace BI FIND